Hi everyone. Uh, have a good day. I'm Ethan Chu from Moldex3D technical support team. And today I'm going to introduce the new version of Moldex3D. Yeah, and the version number we in this year we changed to the 2020 release one. Okay, and of course, as usual, we add a lot of functions in the new version. So the topic maybe cover a lot of topics, but the presentation time is limited. So I will pick some. I think that it's more interesting topics to introduce. Okay, and I will focus on about the solver capabilities introduction and some enhancement in RTM. And I will spend a little time to introduce some improvement in pre and post processor, and also to mention the usability increase features. Okay, and as usual, we will claim the supported platform. And about the Windows, we support Windows 10 and Windows Server 2016. This is the new version. And about Linux, we support CentOS 6 and CentOS 7, and of course Red Hat 7, Red Hat 6, and Red Hat 7, and also to say Linux Enterprise Server 12 version. Okay. Okay, and so let's begin our presentation. And in the first, I want to mention the calculation efficiency is improved by this version.